meron siguro kidding aside, ang gusto nilang anak ay 12 o 12 lang na anak. At para mapatunayan po yan everyone, can we have a 10-second kiss sa ating newlywed couple? Alright, so pag-ready ating mga camera, in the count of 3, face each other. Ayan, bibilang tayo from 10 to 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 10! Everybody! 9! Lakas mo natin! 8! 7! 6! 5! 4! 3, 2, 1, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang ating newest couple. You may now take your seat. We have Sir Ivan and Ma'am Sarah. At sa ating lahat, ayan, you know what everyone, a wedding brings people and their families together. It also refreshes the family ties that have gone still and almost forgotten for a toll of time and distance. Because for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating the marriage, the love, and the unity of Ivan and Sarah. Kaya naman po, palakpakan natin everybody. Ang ating newlywed couple, we have Mr. and Mrs. Rodriguez. Alright? And of course, at this